Very first time we hear from the mother of the teenager who died while riding the Orlando FreeFall. We also heard from Tyre Sampson's father.
As you can imagine, they are both heartbroken. Now their goal is to not let a similar tragedy happen to anyone else.
If I don't speak up for this young man, this thing will just be swept under the rug and it'll be another young man going through the same situation.
Take the ride down completely, just get rid of it altogether. That's too big of a risk.
Fox 35 has live team coverage of the parents' plea to tear down the ride. Fox 35's Ray Vieta is in St. Louis, where Tyre's mom spoke publicly for the first time since his death. But we begin with Fox 35's Holly Bristow. She's live next to the ride where Tyre's father spoke today. Holly.
Hi, John. Well, as you can imagine, it was a very emotional time for Tyre Sampson to be out here at the Orlando FreeFall for the first time, being feet away from where his son fell to his death. He had a hard time being here today, and I'll tell you, he said it was even harder after seeing that heartbreaking tragedy take place in a video.
I looked at the video, I'm like, ooh, I turned my head instantly, because I didn't just want to look at it. She was like, you really don't know? I'm like, I know. She's like, that's Tyre. I'm like, stop playing, stop kidding me. Instantly, I threw up. I'm gonna be honest with you. I threw up. It took the breath out of me.
Tyre Sampson standing at the foot of the Orlando FreeFall for the first time, recalling the moment he learned his son fell from the 400-foot amusement ride to his death. Until now, he just wasn't ready to see it for himself.
It's sickening. It's days I can't get out the bed.
He and Tyre's mom filed a wrongful death suit against the ride's owners, manufacturer, and 9 other corporations. Bob Hilliard and Ben Crump are part of their legal team.
When your child comes to an amusement park, they are not supposed to fall out of the ride over 100 feet and crash to the earth to their death. That is not supposed to happen.
The attorney representing the Orlando Slingshot releasing a statement yesterday saying in part, quote, we reiterate all protocols, procedures, and safety measures provided by the manufacturer were followed.
We have evidence that that is false, and we're going to present it in court.
You're saying this could have been someone else?
I'm saying that the guy it almost was will be a witness, and the bruises he had on his arm when he was trying to save his own life, he's got a story to tell.
Another thing that Attorney Hilliard said to me that I found interesting today, he said if this ride is still standing by the time this case goes to trial, he said that he is going to ask the judge to bring the jury out here so they can see just how tall this ride stands and so they can really get the magnitude of how far Tyre Sampson fell to his death. For now, reporting live in Orange County, Holly Bristow, Fox 35 News.
Holly, thank you. And our live team coverage continues with Fox 35 anchor Ray Vieta. He is live for us in St. Louis tonight. That is where Tyre's mother spoke publicly for the very first time since his death. Ray, what did she have to say?
Luann, she said she has no plans of going to that freefall site and doesn't think she'll ever let her young daughter, who's 9 years old, get on a ride similar to it. She talked to us about the heartbreak that she's dealing with every day. She thinks about her son, an honor roll student, a football player, who was going to Orlando for spring break and never returned home.
After my last hug, he said, oh no, Mom, they're waiting, so he's bagging up.
Nakia Dodd recalling her last exchange with her son, Tyre Sampson. It was right before his trip to Orlando.
He turns around and says, I'll see you Saturday or either Sunday. And that was my last time speaking to my son. And that Sunday, I was waiting for my son to come home.
Sampson never made it home again. He fell from the freefall ride about 100 feet to his death. Since then, a state report found his seat was manually adjusted for larger riders.
To get a call to say, he's not coming back. I'm still in shock. This is a nightmare. That's an extended nightmare, to be honest.
The attorney representing the mother wants to know who adjusted it and why. 11 defendants are named in the lawsuit filed in Orange County on Monday.
We need to get all the discovery. We have to get all this out to the public, and then if that requires a trial, we'd love to do it.
The mother also wants safer rides. She doesn't want another mother suffering the pain she can barely describe.
I just can't express. It's disturbing. It's very disturbing to me. But my message to the family is, just, I don't know, you just have to love on your kids while they're here.
An attorney for Slingshot, the company that owns that freefall ride, says they are cooperating with this investigation and that they followed all protocols. We're live in St. Louis, Missouri. I'm Ray Vieta, Fox 35 News.
Ray, thank you. And you can watch the full videos from Tyre's parents on fox35orlando.com and on our Fox 35 News app.